Alright, let's continue on with our practice test. And we'll start with this one with number 25. In number 25, we have the problem h minus 5 squared. And we know that we're going to get a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So h squared, 2ab is h times 5 times 2. And that is 10h and plus 25. We square the 5 at the end, and there is our final answer for number 25. That is correct. Number 26. Number 26, 4xy, or 4x minus y times 4x plus y. Well, we recognize this right away that we're going to get a squared minus b squared, so our final answer is 16x squared minus y squared. And that is number 26. Now we'll do number 27. 27, 3x squared y to the third times 2x minus xy squared. Is that correct? That is correct. Okay. We'll do our arrows. First term is 6x to the third y to the third. And then our second term is minus 3x to the third y to the fifth, adding the exponents. And there's our answer. 28. 28, we get 2a squared b plus b squared. That whole thing's squared. Okay, so we know we're going to get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So a squared in this situation is 4a to the fourth b squared. 2ab is 2 times 2 is 4. A's are a squared, b to the first, and b to the second is b to the third. And then finally b squared again is b to the fourth. And checking the book with our answer, b to the fourth, a squared third, and I did not make a mistake, so that is the correct answer. 29. 29. 4m plus 3n times 2m minus 5n. Now this one we're going to have to use our arrows and get them all in there, so I'm going to go down below. Let's start here. 4m times 2m is 8m squared. Continue that arrow over. 4m times negative 5 is negative 20mn. Now we'll do the second term. 3n times 2m is plus 6mn. And then carry that out. 3n times negative 5n is minus 15n squared. We have like terms. 8m squared minus 14mn minus 15n squared. And that is our final answer. Okay. 30. 30. 2c plus 5. 2c plus 5 times 3c squared minus 4c plus 2. Okay, binomial times a trinomial. Use the arrows again. First arrow gives us 2c times that is 6c to the third. Second, continuing that on to the second term, 2c times negative 4c is minus 8c squared. And then finally, 2c times 2 is 4c. Now we do the second term. 5 times that is 15c squared. 5 times the middle term is negative 20c. And finally, 5 times 2 is 10. We look for, there's 3. There's only one with 3. We have 2 with 2 with a squared. Minus 8, that is plus 7. C squared. There's a C and there's a C for minus 16. C plus 10. Finish it out. And that is our final answer for number 30. 6c3 squared minus 7c squared. 6c to the third minus 7 or plus 7c squared minus 16c plus 10. That is correct. All right, let's try a new page. Go to 31. There we go. 31. 31 is solve each equation. 2x times x minus 3 is equal to 2x squared minus 7 plus 2. Okay, we're going to try and solve for x. So the first thing we do is we're going to do our multiplications. We're going to do the 2x times that. We get 2x squared. Carry that over, minus 6x equals, there we go, 2x squared minus 14 plus 2. We have like terms on this side. 2x squared minus 6x equals 2x squared minus 12. We're going to subtract 2x squared from both sides, and that actually cancels out both of those. So our x squared has gone away, and now we're left with that. Divide by negative 6 on both sides, and x equals 2. Let's try 32. 32, 3a times 3a times a squared plus 5 minus 11 is equal to a times 3a squared plus 4. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Let's multiply it out. 3a to the third. Carry the arrow on. I get 15a minus 11 equals, first multiplication here, 3a to the third. Second one gives me 4a. I have nothing to combine, so now I'm going to subtract 3a cubed from both sides, which actually cancels the a cubed out. That leaves me with 15a minus 11 equals 4a. I want the a's all on one side, so I'm going to move this here, minus 15a to the other side. And I'm left with negative 11 equals negative 11a. Divide by negative 11. Divide by negative 11. And then that gives me the final answer of a is equal to 1. And finally, the last question in the practice test is number 33. Here's number 33. It is a standardized test. There's telling us that we have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared is equal to 8. Okay? If that's true, then find 3. Then they want us to find 3 x plus y squared. Alright, so to find this, we have to figure out an answer to that, and hopefully, since we have two variables here, hopefully one of them gets eliminated somehow. All right. Damn it.